Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Roblox Studio layout is messed up or windows have disappeared, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to reset your Roblox Studio UI back to the default layout in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Sometimes you might rearrange windows, accidentally close the Explorer, or drag panels into strange spots, but Roblox Studio lets you restore everything instantly. At the top of Roblox Studio, click on the Window tab. From the drop-down menu, select Reset Layout. Roblox will prompt you to restart your game to apply the changes. As soon as you click it, Roblox Studio will snap everything back to the original default positions: Explorer, Properties, Toolbox, Output, and more. And if you ever want to reset all studio settings, not just the layout, you can do that too. Click Roblox Studio on the top left. Choose Studio Settings. Scroll to the bottom and click Reset All Settings. This will restore everything to factory defaults. Use this only if you need a full reset. Your Roblox Studio UI should now be back to its clean, default layout. Thanks for watching, and happy building!